Morning everyone. Let's start our class. Okay students, yesterday already we discussed how to visualize a number on a number line through successive magnification. So this is the another model problems. In previous class we discussed about we are representing the numbers like terminating numbers means which has n numbers. In today's class we are visualizing the numbers which are non-terminated. Okay, non-terminated numbers which are we visualizing. Okay, in this visualize the representation of 3.58 bar on the number line through successive magnification up to 4 decimals. So here one number is given, one non-terminated number is given, that is 3.58 bar. Okay, so we have to visualize this number. Here for visualizing the non-terminating numbers are very hard, very difficult, because they are like this, infinite times of repeating. So we can't represent this number. That's why he is asking for up to 4 decimals only. So in this type of problems, he is asking for up to how many decimals? In this question, he is asking for 4 decimals. If another question, he is asking for 3 decimals. In other questions, they are asking for 5 decimals. So we can represent this number 3.58 bar like up to 4 decimals. Okay. So take this number up to 4 decimals. 3. See here. Bar is on 8 only. Bar is on 8 only means 8 is repeating. Here, okay, 3.5888. 4 decimals. After decimal point, we need only 4 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Enough. So we have to represent this number on the number line. What is the number? 3.5888. Okay. First of all, see this number carefully. 3.5888. So in which numbers between this number exists? What are the numbers? Okay, so the numbers are 3 and 4. This number is in between 3 and 4. It is greater than 3. 3.588 is greater than 3 and smaller than 4. That's why I am taking so I took taking a number line and representing numbers on it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 3.588 is in between 3 and 4. So I am magnifying the space in between 3 and 4. I am magnifying the space in between 3 and 4. So I am magnifying this. Okay, so 3 means 3.0. 3 means 3.0. I am taking 3 as 3.0, and the next number is 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, and 4. So adjust these numbers between these spaces. Okay, ఈ numbers మీరు స్పేసెస్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ప్లేసింగ్ తీసుకుంటే డివిజన్స్ కరెక్ట్గా అరేంజ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం స్పేస్ మిగిలింది. రిమెంబర్ దిస్ థింగ్. ఓకే, ఫార్వర్డ్ దిస్ థింగ్. ఓకే, అండ్ so 3 point we want 3.5888. okay, we are dividing the space in between 4 and 3 and 4 like this. So 3.588 is in between. In these numbers, in these divisions, what are the numbers? So 3.5 and 3.6. It is greater than 3.5 and less than 3.6. That's why I am visualizing, I am magnifying the space in between 3.5 and 3.6. Okay, I am magnifying the space in between 3.5 and 3.6 like this. So it is 3.50, and I am taking next number as 3.51, 3.52, 3.53, 3.54, 3.54, 55, 3.56, 3.57, 3.58, 3.59, and 3.6 or 3.60. 3.6 or 3.60. Anything? So now see here 3.58. We got 3.58. So next we want 880.0088 more is required. So 3.588 is greater than 3.58 and less than 3.59. So I am magnifying the space in between 3.58 and 3.59. Okay. So I am magnifying the space. Okay, see here. Three point 580, 3.581, 3.582, 3.583, 3.584, 3.585. and 3.586, 3.587, 3.588 and 3.589, 3.590. Okay, so we want 3.5888. So 3.5888 is greater than 3.588 and less than 3.589. So see here the space in between 3.588 and 3.589 I am magnifying. So after magnifying this looks like this. Okay, so 3.588 means 3.5880. Okay, next number is 3.5881. Next number is 3.5882, 3.5883, 3.5884, 3.5886. Sorry, 5. 3.5886, 3.5887, 3.5888, 3.5889 and 3.589. Okay, so what is the number we want? 3.588. See here 3.588 is here, so represent this. Okay, so here he is asking for 4 decimals only. We represent the 4 decimals. Okay, after decimal point we take 4 digits and represent it like this. Okay, children. Okay, children, see on board. Visualize the representation of 5.28 bar on the number line through successive magnification up to 3 decimals. So here we have to represent this number up to 3 decimals. Means up to 3 decimals means after decimal point take 3 digits, means 282. Here 28 is repeating, so I am taking 3 digits like this. Okay, represent this number on the number line through successive magnification. Okay, children, thank you. See you in next class. Bye.